This plant with the thick leaves and the waxy flowers sprawling up in amongst an old callistemon here in our Solander garden at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Sydney, is called the common waxflower or the Australian Hoya. And it's a plant called Hoya australis. It's in the same family as the Frangipanis, so that's the Apocynaceae family. And it grows north from about Grafton right up along the east coast into far northern Queensland. It mostly grows in drier parts of rainforest plant communities where it does grow as a climber, and that's what most Hoyas do. So they're a large group of sprawling and climbing plants from the subtropics and tropics. This is one of the plants that was collected by Joseph Banks and Daniel Solander just over 250 years ago from the Endeavour River area of Queensland, when the boat that they were travelling in with James Cook, the Endeavour, had been damaged on the reef and was being repaired. It's a terrific plant for use in gardens and particularly in hanging baskets, and you'll see some terrific examples of this and other Hoyas being grown at our Growing Friends Nursery, which is open Monday to Friday 11 till 2 and Saturday 10 till 2, where volunteers collect unusual plants from the gardens to make available for sale to the public. It's got really sweet, fragrant flowers, and it's pollinated in its native plant communities by a species of butterflies called the southern grass dart. The leaves, though, are also food for a couple of other butterflies in Queensland, members of a group of crow butterflies. So it's a wonderful plant this time of year when it flowers, but it's a bit of a sporadic flower throughout the year. So you'll often see some flowers on these plants. So keep an eye out for this Hoya australis or the Australian Hoya common waxflower growing here at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Sydney.